Would you like to spring clean your mind? Do you have any negative thoughts, feelings that you would like to declutter from your mind and your life? Well, stay tuned as I share with you 3 simple tips that you can utilise to spring clean your mind and your life. Hi, it's Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing videos to help inspire, motivate and encourage you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Now, spring's arrived. This is a wonderful sense of spring in the air. And spring's a fabulous time in nature for change, for awakening, for growth. But it's also a time when people like to spring clean their home, their garden. Well, imagine if you could apply the same principles to your life. Imagine if you could spring clean and declutter your mind. Have a mind detox, if you like. So I'm going to share with you 3 simple strategies that you can utilise to help do that in your life now. Now, the first one is to kind of really come to your senses, awaken your senses like nature awakens at this lovely time of year. And by the way, these tips you can apply any time of year. You don't have to wait for spring. So the first one, number 1, is awaken your senses. Spend more time kind of naturally getting out of your own head, kind of become aware of nature. Look up, look around you, take notice of things that are going on. You know, there's an old kind of saying that says, stop and smell the flowers. And it's applying that principle. It's stopping in your tracks, stopping in your life and just connecting to what's around you, whether that be the ground beneath your feet, whether that be the wonderful environment around you, whatever you choose to do, just take more time to stop and come to your natural senses. Now, number 2 is clear the clutter. Now, whether that be from your mind or whether that be from your physical environment. I said to you earlier that it's a wonderful time where people like to spring clean their environment and do that. There's nothing more kind of refreshing than having a good clear out. So clear your physical environment. You know, a clear space equals a clear mind. So, you know, is it time for you to declutter and get rid of certain things and maybe even certain people from your life to help clear your mind? Now, number 3 is shift your mindset. So we are what we think about. You know, our life goes in the direction of our thoughts. So take time to think differently. You know, learn to develop your mindset. And that could be in many different forms. It could be from meditation. It could be from mindfulness. It could be from self-hypnosis. It could be some kind of formal relaxation. Whatever you choose to do, spend time to develop and shift your mindset and allow yourself to think differently. Because when you think differently, then everything else begins to follow. And if you need some help with that, pop over to my website, christianbaker.net, to grab a copy of my free Master Your Mind course. And at the same time, you'll also get access to a bonus copy of my Relax and Unwind audio. And that's an excellent place to start in helping you to clear your mind. So pop over there, grab your copy now. And you know, before you go, click subscribe, leave a comment below and let me know if there's anything in your life that you would like to declutter and how you're going to do that. But before you go, remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve. So allow yourself to think differently, believe in yourself, take action so you can enjoy and achieve the life that you want. Go on, you can do it.